SaBaTo cheese tasting is in Auckland, New Zealand. When you entered, lots of wine and olive oil. We went to the cheese department. You gotta love the graffiti on the wall. We were greeted by the cheese master. There was every kind of cheese you could imagine. It just kept going and going. Dale took a sample or two, or maybe 3 or 4. He brought out some of his best cheese. Everyone had a story. This was a local soft creamy cheese. It was made in Kaikoura in southern New Zealand.
Well, that's good.
We did a number on this one. It was fantastic. Next we had a French cheese called Mimalettes. The aging brings out a deep orange color. It had a slight Parmesan taste. It was unbelievably good. He brought out a cheddar type cheese with crystals in it. I don't think we tasted anything that wasn't fantastic that day. What an experience in cheese tasting. We gave them 5 stars. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.